In this video, I will show you how to create a Payoneer invoice. Payoneer invoices are required when you request a payment from your client. To request a payment, go to the Request a Payment section, select your payer, and enter the amount you are requesting for your service along with a description. You can also select the due date and your requesting name. After that, click on Next. In the final step of requesting a payment, you will be asked to upload an invoice if you wish. If you do not have an invoice, you can create a professional invoice for free by clicking the provided link. This will redirect you to an external website. Click on Create Free Invoice now. You can sign up if you want, but you can also continue as a guest. This option allows you to create an invoice easily. This is the simplest format for creating an invoice, but if you prefer a pre-made template, click on this arrow to access different templates for various services. For now, we will use the simple template. First, you can upload your company logo if desired and specify the type of file you want to create, which in this case is an invoice. Enter the invoice number. If you've previously sent invoices to the same client, increment the invoice number by 1. Then, select the due date. Next, you will enter your information and your client's information. To enter your information, click on Sender Name. Any section marked with a red star is mandatory, but the rest are optional. At a minimum, you must fill in the sender name. Additional details can be added if you wish, but they are not required. Once done, scroll down and click on Set Sender Data. Now click on Recipient Name to enter your client's information. The client's company name and email address are mandatory fields. If you want to add more details, you can do so. Once completed, scroll down and click on Set Recipient Data. Next, you will enter the price. Instead of clicking directly on the price field, click on Add New Invoice Item. Start by entering the name of your service, then specify the quantity and price per unit. If applicable, you can add taxes. You can also include a description of the service. The total amount will be calculated automatically based on the quantity and unit price you enter. Once all the details are set, scroll up, click on the arrow and select Save. Then click on Download Invoice. To download the invoice, you need to enter your first name, last name, country, and company size. After completing these details, click on Complete and Download PDF. The invoice will be downloaded to your computer. Go back to the previous page on Payoneer and click on the option to import your file from your computer, or simply drag and drop the file. Scroll down and wait for the invoice to upload completely. Once it's uploaded, click on Request Payment. Your client will then receive the invoice in their email, along with the payment request.